When it comes to pursuing a career in education, choosing the right institution can make all the difference. At MIE, we're dedicated to providing our students with the best possible education to help them achieve their career goals. Our Masters in Education program is approved by the Australian government and registered as a training organization with the RTO number 45464. This means that our program is recognized for its quality education and prepares our students for success in the education sector. So, why do students choose us to upgrade their career? It's simple. We offer a quality education that sets our students up for success in their respective fields. Our Masters in Education program is designed to equip students with the latest knowledge and skills required to excel in the education sector. We use a range of innovative teaching methodologies that enhance the learning experience of our students, providing them with practical and theoretical knowledge that is highly valued in the job market. Our faculty members are industry experts who bring their real-world experience into the classroom, preparing our students to meet the demands of the industry. We also offer various opportunities for professional development, including workshops, internships, and job placement opportunities, ensuring that our students are well equipped to achieve their career goals. So, if you're looking for an institution that will provide you with the best possible education to help you achieve your career goals, look no further than mie.edu.au.